quick video on how printing works on the WindoCAD 7 system. This is a sub account from the Glazing Village. So obviously we're going to click on this job here. This is one we've made up just to show you how things work. So we've put all the windows and doors in, we've got our price set up. Obviously these are all prices that you input yourself, you know, so that you're pricing the job correctly. VAT doesn't have to, it's included in our prices because we're VAT registered. You might not be, the VAT can be taken away, so that's not an issue. So obviously, like I say, all the windows and doors are already in there, the customer's details are already added. So the first bit of paperwork for the customer to print out. So quite simply, like I say, no setup needed. Hit the quotation button, and here it will give you a printed document, you know, of a quotation with all of the details on there, all of the specification inside and out, external, internal views of the windows, all of the handles, everything. So there's no confusion. They know exactly what they're getting. Even the sandblasted glass with numerals in them, it's all there. Handle choice, letterbox choice, cylinder choice. You know, there's your bifolds. So there's no confusion at all. There's the cost at the end. You know, when have you ever seen a more detailed quotation, and how quick and simple was that? So again, like I say, print to PDF, and then that can be sent over to the customer, or you can obviously print it off on the computer, on the printer, and send out or take out to the customer. However you do things, obviously you can do any of that on here. So the next thing, customer's obviously happy, wants to go ahead. Next thing you want is a retail contract. So again, simple click of the button, and the WindoCAD system is going to put it all together for you, all in a nice simple printout. Again, all of the details, a bit more in depth, just so you get everything right, so the customer's completely happy. They can sign off the job at the end, so they can sign the contract here, and they're signing to say that they're happy with the terms and conditions, which has also already been pre-installed for you, so you don't even have to do that. How simple is that? So that's your two major parts of paperwork. So if you get them right, it's only really down to you on the survey. And you know what? We can even offer the survey. So you know, the customers sign the contract. Next part is to do a survey. You may have already done it. You may have already done the survey to start off with. A lot of companies won't do a survey until until the contract's been signed and the deposit paid. So next thing to do is a survey. Again, this is a printed version. You can obviously enter the details into the system. It just depends how you want to do things. We like the printed version so that you can write in all the details. You can swap bits around. The customer can sign it at the end. You know, we like to have something on file that we can look back on that can't be changed, and you know, without crossing something out, or you know, someone accidentally changes the size on the system. You know, so this is printed and it's there forever. You know, so that's your survey. Again, print to PDF and then print off on the printer. You can also, if you've got a PDF editor and you want to do it that way, you can take a tablet round with you and do it on the tablet, just to fill in the details as you go around. So that's your survey. So obviously the next part is installation. So it goes to installations. The installers have got the survey. They've got the confirmation back from the manufacturer or from the Glazing Village to say what products are coming. And then the next bit of paperwork you're going to need is an invoice. So again, we just click on the button, and there we go. Printed invoice. VAT's on there if you're VAT registered. Bank details, contact details, all ready to give to the customer, so you can get paid because everything's done, and everything's done to the specification, because we haven't come away from that. Okay, guys, so that's the three main bits of paperwork. We've obviously got other ones. We've got concept art, which you know, if you're working with a builder and they're working with a customer under you, and you want to give the builder some paperwork so their customer can sign it off. You know, obviously the builder may be taking care of payments, but it's obviously the specification the customer needs to see. Builder doesn't always give him your quote, or you know, because obviously it's got prices on there. So this is obviously a piece of paperwork with all the details, how the doors and windows all open, um, inside and outside views, bifolds inside and outside, and how they work. You know, ready for the builder um, to give to the customer and sign off the specifications, so they know, you know, there's no, you know, less mistakes. That's what we like. You know, you want to just get, you know, sign a job off, and then get paid at the end because everything's out exactly the customer wants it. We don't want no miscommunication, which obviously all of this paperwork avoids. Okay, guys, so there's obviously other bits, you know, other bits that you can use on there. You know, if you're doing trade supply, there's a supply only invoice, but have a play about, and you can let us know any feedback. Thanks again.